I just wanted to say how proud I am of Tyler. We've come a long way. He's grown up so much. He's already an amazing father. I know he's going to be an amazing husband. And I just wanted you to know how proud I am of you, man. Hopefully Kallie doesn't have to spray you off with the hose too many more times. So I'll go from there. Kallie, you came into Tyler's life, and I was a little skeptical about giving up my boyfriend. But you've been amazing, so sweet, so genuine, and most importantly, you have the patience to deal with my best friend. So just keep that up. I know you guys will have a long, happy life together. And let's raise a glass for Kallie and Tyler.
Time in their lives and in ours. Mr. and Mrs. Tyler.
I want to say thank you to everyone who came out, showed their love and support for this beautiful couple. Kallie is literally the best big sister you could ever ask for. And let me tell you, her as an older sister suits her very well. Through the years, when it comes time for our parents' birthdays or Christmas, she's the one who orchestrates the gifts, so Madison and I just have to pay her for our names to be on the gift. Kallie has also had to make sure Madison and I don't kill each other every chance we get. When we were growing up, I always wanted to be like Kallie and dress like her. There would be a few times where I'd wake up early and try to steal her clothes, but that never would go as planned because we were in the same school. As we were getting older, I started to appreciate our relationship as sisters a whole lot more, especially when we were in high school. I knew eventually I wouldn't get to see Kallie every day like we did. So when I moved to Toledo, I knew of two people who would welcome me with open arms, Kallie and Hank. Kallie and Hank were the best roommates you could ever ask for. Kallie is the one who cooked, I cleaned, and Hank gave the best cuddles, but also stole my socks.